Welcome to Using Olsis, a video from West Virginia University of Parkersburg's Office of Information Technology. Video objectives: Introduction to Olsis, how to access and log into Olsis, how to reset an Olsis PIN, manage Olsis account. This includes checking personal information and contact address, add or drop a class, view course schedule, view grades, and check financial aid information and holds. Introduction to Olsis. Olsis stands for Online Student Information System. Olsis contains all the valuable student information as you progress through your degree. It houses your financial aid documentation, contact information, and course grades. How to access and log into Olsis. Step 1. Go to the WVUP homepage at http://www.wvup.edu. At the bottom of the screen will be an Olsis link. Step 2. On the screen, click the student link to Olsis. Step 3. Click on the Olsis login at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Click on the Inner Secure area in the middle of the screen. Step 5A. In order to log into the system, you will need a user ID and PIN. Your user ID is your WVU Parkersburg student number. This is a 9-digit number that starts with 9 and can be found on many forms of correspondence sent to you from the college. If you do not know your student number, this information can be obtained through the records office, or you can use your Social Security number as your user ID. Your default PIN is your birthday in 6 digits, month, day, and last 2 of the year. As in the example on your screen, the student's birthday is January 18th, 1991. So their default PIN will be 011891. Never share your WVU Parkersburg student ID or your Olsis PIN. Step 5, Part B. Once the login information has been gathered, enter the information in the corresponding text boxes on the user login page. How to reset an Olsis PIN. If you have already set up your security question, click on the Forgot PIN button on the user login page underneath the PIN text box. After you have answered the security question correctly, you will be prompted to create a new PIN. Option 2. If you have not set up your security question or are unable to answer your security question correctly, please submit a ticket to the IT Help Desk. This can be done at http://it.wvup.edu/helpdesk. Checking personal information and contact address in Olsis. On the main page, select Personal Information. On this screen are many options. The first is your Change PIN. The second is Change Security Question. You have the ability to add or update your security question. It is important to have an updated security question so you have the ability to reset your PIN at any time without having to submit a ticket or call the IT Help Desk. The third is View Addresses and Phones. Check to make sure the current address listed is correct. Correspondence from the school and potentially financial aid information is sent to the address listed. Once you have viewed or made any desired changes, you can return to the main menu by clicking the Return to Menu button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Add or drop a class in Olsis. Important note: there are restricted deadlines related to the addition and removal of classes. This includes whether or not a cost will be incurred or a fail withdrawal grade, even if the course is dropped from the student schedule. For deadlines, please check the WVU Parkersburg Records website or contact the Records Office at 304-424-8220. Add or drop a class. First, On the main page, select Student Records. Next, click on the Registration. Third, from the registration list, click on Add or Drop Classes from the menu list. Add a class or classes. To add a class, enter the CRN or course reference number of the class in one of the text boxes provided. If you do not know the CRN of the class, click on Class Search underneath the CRN text boxes. Once all CRN numbers have been entered, make sure to click the Submit Changes button at the bottom of your screen. If you do not click the Submit Changes button, your courses will not be added. Drop a class. From the listing of registered classes, go to the Action drop-down for the class you wish to remove, and select Student Course Drop from the list. Once all changes have been made, make sure to click the Submit Changes button at the bottom of the screen. If you do not click the Submit Changes button, your changes will not be saved. View Class Schedule. From the registration menu, click on Concise Student Schedule from the menu listing. Select the term from the drop-down list and click Submit. Once you have clicked Submit, you will be directed to the class schedule for the term you selected. Viewing Grades. From the main menu, click on Student Records. Then from the list, click on Student Records again. From the listing, select Final Grades. Check in financial aid information and holds. From the main menu, click on Financial Aid. There are many important information on the screen. The first is your financial aid status. This shows your financial aid status and if any awarded funds need to be accepted. Note, if you do not see your financial aid letter, please contact the Financial Aid Office at 304-424-8210. The next is eligibility. Eligibility shows a student's current standing, including holds. If there is a hold on a student's account, it will prevent students from registering for classes, financial aid processing, transcript processing, or prevent graduation. Award. Under Award will appear a listing of all awarded funds by term, year, or all awarded funds from the student's academic duration at the institution. Video Summary. Olsis, or Online Student Information System, contains personal and academic information about a student who attends this institution. Never share your WVU Parkersburg student ID and/or PIN. Olsis can be accessed through the WVU Parkersburg website by a link at the bottom of the screen. If you forget your password, you can answer a personally created security question or submit a ticket to the IT help desk to have your PIN reset. You will use Olsis to manage your financial aid, academic standing, and your course schedule. You can also check final grades on Olsis. Well, this concludes our video of using Olsis. Thank you for watching.